In this video, we're going to explain how to use Pardus software to model composite and solid sheets and get the necessary fabrication drawings. As you know, this type of design is one of the most time-consuming parts of our work, and until now, we didn't have an efficient tool to speed up this process. To get started in Pardus, all you need to do is model the desired surface as a simple surface and define the grid lines on it. The rest of the steps can be fully carried out using Pardus commands. At this part, we separate the areas which we want to prepare fabrication drawings from the model. First, we enter the joints amount, the gap between parts. Then we select the part and the necessary lines for cutting and extract the desired sections from the model. Moreover, the specified gap is automatically applied during this step. In second step, add the flanges. I'll demonstrate several examples on different parts. In the flange section, I use the Type 2 command to draw the side flanges. Then I use Type 1 to draw the remaining edges. Flanges drawing work is done. I move to the next page to make one of the required edits. In the Edit section, I use the Type 3 command to adjust the composite flanges. By drawing bisector lines, we separate the flanges from one another, then repeat the same steps a bit faster on a composite flange in another part of the model. Next, we run the Unfold command in Pardus. We select the desired part. Then we specify the location where we want the drawing to be placed. The Unfold result is now ready and right in front of us. Pay attention. Even if the product and material are solid sheets, you can still generate an Unfold drawing. First, I draw the top corners using Type 2. Then I draw the two adjacent corners, then run the Convert to Sheet command. I set the thickness to 3 mm and the internal bend radius to 1 mm. Now the part appears as a solid sheet in front of us. As you can see, the bends and edge closures are exactly as we intended. Now to unfold it, our main goal is to get the job done using any program that can perform it automatically and in the shortest possible time. Finally, the unfold is generated and automatically imported into Rhino. And all of these steps are done automatically